This is TV18 and you're watching CNBC TV18.
Presented by National Stock Exchange.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.
Hello and a warm welcome to Season 4 of NSE Financial Quest. I'm your host, Lloyd Saldana, and before we move on, let's take a look at the highlights. A financially literate person today has got his trump cards in the right place. A person who knows his financial literacy at an early age seems to benefit in the long run throughout his life. With that objective in mind, the NSE has started multiple programs across age groups. Whether it's school students or colleges, they always have been pioneering some interesting programs and platforms so that the young kids learn early and settle faster. One of these multiple programs is NSE's Financial Quest, a quiz designed to inculcate a habit of not only finance, but all the things relating to financial management. Let's begin this episode. We come to you from the city of Ahmedabad with the top 8 finalists. They've battled their way through the preliminary rounds and they're here to battle it out to be the city champion. We have 3 segments to this quiz that we will play across throughout this episode. But let's begin with the first segment. This segment would have 5 different questions coming up for you. These questions could either be a bull question, a bear question, or a stack question. A stack question carries the lowest points of 50. But if you get a stack question wrong, it's minus 50 that you will take as a negative. First question coming up for you. Here we go. This is a stack question, which would mean it's a 50-pointer. Only one team getting an attempt. Wait for me to tell you it's your turn. Don't be in a hurry. All good? Yes. Question coming up on your screen. It's a simple visual question. Whose campaign is this? The young boy talks about his best friend. It's a famous bank who talks about what if a bank could also be your best friend? Keeps coming every day on television. Either you guys are too studious and only study and don't watch television, or you do not recall. That's table number 5, airport school going on the buzzer. What is the answer?
Allahabad Bank.
Allahabad Bank could be a very, very good answer, but not for this question. That would be a minus 50 that you take. Good try that you did though. The answer there is IDBI Bank. Moving ahead, 75-pointer this time. It's a bad question. A method used by individuals to transfer payments from one bank to another. They also are known as remotely created checks. It's a 2-word answer. Table number 7, Shivashi CBSE, quickest on the buzzer. What is your answer?
Demand draft.
Plus 75 is what you get. Nice way to start. Demand draft is a good answer to give me and get yourself a plus 75. Moving ahead, 50-pointer question. 50-pointer. Still can score. Everybody needs to start attempting it. And here's the question coming up for you. The final payment on a debt, which is larger than the previous sums paid, is called a balloon payment. True or false? That's table number 2, Arjun English High School. Go for it.
False.
It's false. What would be the right answer?
No idea.
No idea. But you're just guessing and saying it's false. Not always does the guesswork work. That's our minus 50 that you take on that one. That would have been true. That is a balloon payment. So in case you didn't know it, you get to learn it today. Okay. 100-pointer. This would mean either you get a plus 100 or somebody could be starting their accounts with our minus 100. So be careful, no pressure. Question coming up for you. Here we go. The film The Dark Knight opens with Joker's robbery of this bank. What is the name of the bank? The bank gets its name from where it is located. So, if you know your Batman story, you should be able to guess this. The bank gets its name from where Batman is located. Quick, anybody going on the buzzer for 100 points? No? Batman is located in a place called the Gotham City. It's the Gotham National Bank. Should have got this one. You guys need to try it. You can't just not try at all. 50 marker. Not too much of a risk. So it's not minus 100. It could be just minus 50. But on the contrary, it could be plus 50 also. Okay? So here we go. It's a multi-choice question. So you'll get 2 or 3 clues. You'll need to give me a story and give me a final answer. How all of them are connected or interlinked. Here's your question. What is common to all 3 pictures? It's a bank that is common. Arjun English High School again.
It's ICICI Bank.
But what makes you say it's ICICI? Go on.
The symbol.
The symbol, okay. And the other 2 gentlemen?
I think they are the ambassadors.
They are both brand ambassadors of ICICI Bank. And therefore, it is ICICI Bank is a plus 50 that you get. Good one. Put your hands together. Plus 50, minus 50, doing well for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, one segment of this quiz just being done. Team slowly warming up to the new format. Don't worry, lots more segments, lots more questions to come. But that's on the other side of this break. You're watching NSE Financial Quest Season 4. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.